missed everything that happened during today's session, do not worry. We got 3 minutes and 47 seconds, and we're getting you caught up on the only stock you need to know about today. It's time for your top 10. Coming in at number 10, it's Disney, down more than 1% right now. The company said marketing costs for Lone Ranger and shrinking revenue over at ABC held back third quarter profit. Disney expects to record a loss of as much as $190 million this quarter on the box office flop, which cost $225 million to make.
Lone Ranger fell off his horse. Adios. Ralph Lauren, meanwhile, down about 7% today. Obviously, Matt and I aren't buying enough stuff. It's falling the most in a year. The luxury retailer reporting first quarter profit fell 6% as it faced currency woes and sluggish sales. Ralph Lauren also giving a cautious sales forecast for the current quarter.
I have been doing my share there, but not at Mondelez. That stock down almost 2%. The Oreo cookie maker reports second quarter results after the bell. Analysts surveyed by Bloomberg estimate adjusted profit of 34 cents a share on revenues of $8.6 billion. We'll bring you those numbers as soon as they cross.
All right, number 7 is First Solar, down about 14%. The solar panel manufacturer reported lower second quarter profit as sales slipped 46%. The company is also acquiring General Electric's solar technology in exchange for 1.75 million shares.
Green Mountain down more than 2% today ahead of its third quarter earnings report. The Keurig maker has been struggling with increasing competition from other companies that released and have released their own single brewing systems. Keep it here for those results. They're coming up.
Number 5, Zillow down nearly 7%. The real estate info website reporting a second quarter loss on higher costs related to advertising and acquisition related compensation. Zillow's stock has had an incredible run this year, up more than 200%. Are the good times coming to an end is the question here. The stock tripling, that's pretty amazing. That's almost as good as Tesla, which quadrupled.
A triple.
You gave that analyst a really hard time, by the way, on Tesla.
Look, I didn't mean to give her a hard time. It's just that they haven't really sold anything yet. You know?
Well, they've sold 5,400 cars. I mean, that's pretty good. They're just not making money.
They made their first profit last quarter.
Well, that's true. You're right. They made a penny. Absolutely right.
Tucker Torpedo?
Take what you can get.
Yes.
Also,
come and go.
I wouldn't have bought that stock either.
All right, number 4, guys. It's Time Warner trading flat right now. The owner of cable channels, including HBO and TNT, posted second quarter profit that topped estimates. Network advertising sales rose 11%, helped by the NBA playoffs. Time Warner also pushed back its plan to spin-off of Time Inc. to early 2014.
Groupon down about 1% today ahead of the second quarter earnings release. In May, shares surged after Groupon's first quarter revenue came in well ahead of the estimates. We're going to have full coverage and instant analysis of the results. They're coming out also right after the bell.
Number 2, Freddie Mac up more than, well, let's take a look at the stock here. Is it still gaining? Yes, more than 2% after the mortgage giant said it earned $5 billion from April through June. Its 7th straight profitable quarter. Doing well. Freddie also says it will pay a dividend of $4.4 billion to the Treasury Department next month, so making money for all of us.
Yes, please.
All right, we're moving on to the number 1 stock of the day. You heard us talking about it earlier. Tesla. Shares are down more than 5% right now. The electric car maker reports second quarter earnings after the bell, and it may have slipped into the red. This loss would reverse Tesla's first ever profit that it had last quarter. You want to keep it here for all of the after hours results. Those are just moments away. We're coming up here on the close of trading. It looks like the Dow's off about 46 points. S&P looks like it's going to end off about 6. This is the third day of losses here for this market. You get a lot of uncertainty right now.